It's please don't distract me. Oh crap, I'm running out of battery. I'm at 28%. And again, this is Alan Gregg, right fielder, the Toronto Blue Jays. Happy 4th of July. And I think that is heat lightning, I think. And
when you come in, you need to take a shower.
Mom, I think
what make your shake.
Okay, I think what I'm saying, I think it feels like I'm saying heat lightning. That's because I've been seeing some flashes. You want to come to my video? Huh?
I'll come out there, but I don't want to show your video.
For a few minutes, that would be a cool idea.
I don't want to join your video.
Why?
I don't.
Please. Next time. That's for this holiday. Here's my mom. Finale time. Are these sensors?
Mm-hmm.
My Nick noticed that. I didn't know they make that noise.
They don't. That's the bug
Ah,
killer
fuck.
right there. Don't you post that video online.
On YouTube?
Because you're swearing throughout the whole video.
I've been feeling this one, baby.
You've been swearing through the whole video.
That's the previous one.
You just said, oh, fuck.
I'm not gonna say no more to this one. Oh, there's running bugs everywhere. Holy cow. Holy.
You need to go out in front.
What are they, what?
Because that's where they're at. They're in front.
Holy fireworks. Let's want to do it?
Go in front. Go back up the track. Let's go.
And hang on, guys. I'm going to head back into the... Oh, crap. My baseball bat.
Just go.
Can you get it for me? Can you get it for me?
Just go.
So I'm back out onto the field. This game, and the White Sox won. Huh?
I think that's your friend.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's gotta be. I know. I got those right on the previous video.
No, the fireworks.
Oh yeah, that's Parker. Yeah, Parker said he was gonna show them off.
And there's some down there too.
Because yeah, I saw some down there.
And there's a few over here.
And there's some by Jose's house. Yeah, Holly told me earlier that Drake went. No, not Drake. That Parker was gonna be showing the fireworks off. That's what Holly told me. Huh?
Who's house?
Drake's mom.
Oh.
She told me that she.
Is that a house?
Huh? Yeah, she told me Parker was gonna shoot the fireworks off. Let's see that. I'm at 26%. And I got to film a few more because I'm running out of charge.
Yeah, and then you take a shower.
Alright. I'm gonna have to not shake this time.
I'll give you a quick haircut and you can take a shower and we'll make your shake.
Can you help me dry off at least?
Yeah.
Isn't this cool, Mom?
You don't want to put that.
What I meant to say before I started spelling, I meant to say, oh, ding.
No, you don't want to put on everything.
I know what I mean. I'm just gonna post the other one. Alright, I'm gonna stop it right here because I'm running out.